Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see a solution for merge sorted array. Suppose we are given a couple of arrays and we have to return it merged and it should be in sorted fashion. So let's see a solution for this. We are going to see the first approach in this video, that is going to be brute force. So the expectation is that return array 1 with all the elements of array 1 and array 2. So we have to return the same array, one of the same array that is given to us, and not create a new array. So this is going to be very straightforward. We are not only given two arrays, but we are also given m and n, which is supposed to be the length of the respective arrays. So the very first thing that we are going to do is we're going to define the length of this array 1. Okay. So since we are going to do all the operation in array 1, so we are going to define it as m. So at current point, the length of the array 1 is 4. Okay. And then since we want this value of array 2 inside of array 1, so what we are going to do is array 1 dot push, and we are going to push the complete array 2. So for that, set operator and array 2. Okay. The next part will be about the shorted part. So if I try to console this array 1 at this point of time, we're going to get something like this. So currently array 1 has all the element, but it is not sorted. Okay. So for sorting it, we just use the dot sort method, which is going to be array 1 dot sort, and then we are going to use the formula of dot sort, that is going to give a and b, which is going to return a minus b. So like this, we will get array 1 with all the elements in sorted fashion. So if you see, this is the expected output that we were hoping to get, and this is what we get. So this is one of the approach. We are going to see other two approaches. Why? Because if you try to calculate the time complexity of this solution, it is not that great. So it is something like this, OFM, and it goes on and on. We want a solution with lesser time complexity. For that, we are going to see other two approaches in the next two videos. So yes, this was one of the solution of this question. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.